Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a duet in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our TikTok app first. And let's create our duet video. To do that, simply after you have found the video you want to do it with, you can see the share button, which is the arrow icon, and it's located at the bottom right corner of your phone. You can see here, just tap there, and after that you can see the three lines of options pop out over here, and on the bottom line of options you can see the duet option over here, but sadly it's disabled for this video. Let's find another video to make a duet with. So let's go, let's again tap on the share icon, and so this video is not available. Let's go to this. No. So basically this video or this creator has enabled the option duet for everybody. So let's make a demo for duet. Tap on the share icon. You can see the three lines of options pop out. You can see the duet over here. Just tap on there, and it's processing the videos. Since today I am just going to show you how to record a duet video, I will not be doing anything creative. This will be a demo purpose, and all these effects you can see at the right side of your phone, you will have to integrate them by yourself on your preferences, and effects also. But for today we will not be doing any effects. So let's record a video for 5 seconds. And stop, and you can see the tick mark appear over here. Just tap on the tick mark and your duet has been created. But I am again saying to you, if you want to create any creative content, you will have to edit your video with all these filters and voiceovers and effects yourself. See, this is only a demo video, so we will not be doing that. So let's tap on the next, and you can see all these options pop out. You need to fill out something over here now. So since we are not going to post this, we are not going to fill many of these details. So let's go to drafts, and it's saved in drafts. Now to view the video, let's view the video, how has it been made. Let's go to our profile, draft, and there's our latest duet, and you can see our duet video has been created this way. So since if you want to make any creative content, that's on you. So this is how you make a duet in TikTok, and it's this easy. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the content or topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you, guys. Peace.